Hi, I'm Makana. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today we're going to show you how to wash and cure your print once it's done in the resin printer. So let's get started. So first off, PPE, you want gloves and also your safety glasses. And I would recommend taking off any jewelry that will possibly come in contact with the printer. So mainly like watches, maybe necklaces too. So once you have all this out of the way, you can get started. So when your resin printer is done printing, you'll get this prompt on the screen saying that your print is done at this time. And if you look up, you'll see that your resin print is on the build plate. So from here, all you gotta do is take off the cover, set that aside. I'm also gonna take off the cover for the washing station. Set that on the side, and then we're gonna get the build plate off of the printer. So all you have to do is unscrew this knob right here. So that comes loose. You'll be able to slide your print out, and then this is what it looks like underneath. So your print on the build plate, and then from there you're gonna want to get one of these plastic scrapers, and basically all you want to do is hang your build plate over the washing station, and you want to peel your print off of the build plate. And you want to be careful with this because it is quite delicate right after it's finished resin printing. So there you go. It drops into the bath, and that is filled with isopropyl alcohol. And from there, we're gonna basically wash your print. So place the build plate back on, tighten the screw, and then place the cover back on. And we're done with the resin printer. So for the wash, make sure to put this lid back on here. And then to set the time, so if it was off, all you have to do is hold onto the knob. There you go, it's gonna boot up. And then you just turn the knob to the correct time. For washing, it varies depending on your print size. So since this is small, you can go 5 to 10 minutes. But if it's a larger print, you may have to go 10 to 20 minutes. So once you have your time selected, so I put 5 here, just hit the knob, and then the time will start. Now, since our part is done in the wash and all of the excess resin has been washed off with the isopropyl alcohol, let's take off the lid here. Place that on the side. And we also want to take off the lid for the curing station. So take this off, place it on the side. From here, you could take this basket out of the bath, give it a little shake. And then from here, place on a paper towel. And then we would want to air dry this print. And so with a compressed air can or any electronic air duster, you want to take your print and just spray it down. And we just want to dry all the isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you get all the areas underneath, on the sides, on the top, in the holes. All right, once it's dry, you can place it in the center of the curing station here. And then you want to place the lid back on, and make sure that this label right here is on the back side of the curing station. So we place that over, hold the button down, turn on, and then scroll to select your time. So for smaller prints, it's recommended to do 6 to 10 minutes. I'm going to do 10 here. For larger prints, you can even go longer, depending on the resin type, how big your print is, etc. So once you have your curing time selected, just click the knob one more time, and the print will start to cure. Make sure you put the basket back into the tank of the wash station, and to cover the wash station with this lid. We don't want any of the isopropyl alcohol evaporating during this time. So now, since our part is done curing and the lights are off, we can take off the cover here, place that on the side, and then you want to inspect your print. So kind of just look around, see if there's any glossiness. If there is a gloss finish, then that just means that the resin isn't fully cured. So I don't know if you could catch this, but right on this line right here, there's some uncured resin. You can see from the gloss. Basically, you just want to send it back into the curing station. A finished part should look like this, with an all matte finish here. And once that is done, you'll be complete with your part. And so that is how you wash and cure your print after printing with a Resin 3D printer.